Hi there, in this video I'll be showing you how to generate a report within Nomisma to see exactly how much and who your business owes money to. So let's jump straight into it. From the business dashboard, you'll need to go to reports on the left menu, and it's important that your bookkeeping is up to scratch because Nomisma will only know as much about your business as you've told it. So your bank reconciliations have to be reconciled. You have to enter all of your expenditure, and any payments that have come out of the bank or payments that you've paid personally or in cash have to be allocated against each of the expense items. So once that's done, you can then go to creditors report, and you will see a list of all of your suppliers here in this column. And to the right of it, you can see exactly how many invoices have been unpaid. So how many invoices you need to pay. And in the unreconciled section, you will see a list of all of the payments that have been made to the customer, or sorry, the supplier, but haven't been allocated to supplier bills as of yet. So you will need to go through the reconciliation process, match the payments against the supplier bills in order to see exactly what is still outstanding. But then to the right of that, we've got a breakdown, so we can see how many supplier bills are due in the next 0 to 30 days, how many are due in the next 31 to 60 days, and 61 to 90 days, and then older. So that gives you an exact breakdown of all of your supplier bills. And if you wanted to drill down into a supplier, you can select their name and it will show you a list of all of the supplier bills, as well as any other transactions such as bank transactions, or if your accountant or bookkeeper has made adjustments, you will see journal entries as well. But that will give you a breakdown and you can see the balance that is still owed to them. So I hope this helps. If you do have any other questions or queries, please feel free to get in touch. And if you have any suggestions, then feel free to let us know in the comments below or get in touch on our phone number or our email address. I hope this helps. Take care and hope to speak to you soon. Thank you. Bye.